Hi, I'm Maggie. Today we're going to talk about the Shaper Sense Configurator. It's really easy to use and lots of fun. Let's check it out. To find the configurator, you go to the Shaper brand. You can find the Shaper brand by clicking Brands at the top of the Cooper Lighting page and clicking Shaper. Next, you're going to go to Products. Once you get to the Product Filter page, select the fixture you would like to configure. I have the most fun configuring the Shaper Sense Drum Trio. Click on the Catalog Data Configure link. So now we have our configurator open. As you can tell, we selected the drum trio, and this auto-populates with a couple of filters already filled out. You have the ability to adjust additional features below. So let's pick this one, color temp of 3500, 90 CRI. This is really neat. You can select black or silver or white, and let's do the 0 to 10 volt. Now this is where the fun happens. On this tab is where we can customize our shade. We can select from several different predetermined patterns. Let's pick this one. If you decide you don't like that pattern, you can easily switch to a different one or hit the clear button right here. Now that we've selected our pattern, let's pick some colors. This is where it gets really fun. So let's select the overlay pattern. Now let's select the base layer. Beautiful. And we have the ability on the trio to also select the bottom edge border. Let's go with orange. What I love about this is not only do you get to see it from this perspective, but we can turn the fixture within the configurator to see it from different perspectives. Now, let's just say you don't like the way this looks and you want to start over. You can hit clear and start again. Now that we have our beautiful fixture created and we've decided we like the way that it looks, we can click the Summary tab. And this allows you to have a pre-designed page you can print out, add your quote price, and send it on to any agents that you want to share this product with. Now that we have finalized our drum, there's another great aspect of this configurator we haven't used yet. So I'm going to take us back to the product page, introduce my friend Sohana, who's going to talk to you about the Acoustic Calculator.
Thanks, Maggie. Appreciate that. Let's go to the Acoustic Calculator now and learn how we can actually give sort of a one-to-one comparison in terms of sound absorption and, say, a horizontal ceiling tile. So what we want to do is since we picked the trio originally, we want to come here and select the product that we are trying to look at. In this case, we picked the trio. Next, what we're going to do is, in a standard reflected ceiling plan, if an architect or someone had a certain amount of horizontal ceiling tile that they're trying to find the equivalency of the Shaper Sense products, one would enter in how much area they would have. So let's pretend they are looking to replace 1,000 square feet of the horizontal ceiling tile. So we'll take a look at that first. And this will also give us the equivalency in metrics. So you would have the 92 meters square. Next, we're going to pretend that we're looking at a 2x2 ceiling tile. And so we want to enter in the total square footage of that. So a standard 2x2 tile would actually equate to 4 square feet. Next, ceiling tiles will give you a noise reduction coefficient value, which is your NRC. So let's pretend in this scenario it's 0.75. So now what we want to do is understand how many Shaper Sense trio fixtures would equate to 1,000 square feet or a portion of it. So in this space, if we're designing and we want to enter in 25 fixtures, now we would hit the calculate button. And then we would get the equivalency of what that means. So down here at the number of tiles that would be replaced would be 355 or 33 square meters. And that means we have a balance of 644 square feet of tile that would either be put back in place or captured through other sound absorption materials, whether it be flooring, wall coverings, or other interior materials that have NRC values. So that's the percentage left is 64%. And if we wanted to know a total one-to-one comparison, meaning we have 1,000 square feet of horizontal ceiling tile, and we want to replace all of it with a ShaperSense trio, that would equate to 71 fixtures in the space. So this just gives a designer or an architect some idea of how to equate ShaperSense products to horizontal ceiling tiles and the remaining balance that would be needed.
Thank you, Sohana. That acoustic calculator is amazing, and it's so easy to use. Thanks for tuning in to learn more about our ShaperSense configurator, where your ShaperSense dreams become a reality.